Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. Happy Tuesday afternoon to you. Me and my wild hair that I cannot tame. It is like sticking straight up. I even tried to spray it down, but anyway, we are here to do a little work on my hot chocolate bar. I've got different shelves for like my coffee bar area, and I'm doing some fun stuff on it. It looks real Christmassy. I think it's really cute. And so I was needing the stuff for the actual hot cocoa today. So I ran out and got it at the local Dollar General. Not Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Although everything was still $1. The only thing that was not $1 are these cute little ornaments that we're gonna use today. I got these from Trendy Tree. She brought them to my Christmas in July event, or actually she sent them to me. She was a sponsor for my Christmas in July event that we had in Nashville, and I decorated a tree, and these were 3 of the ornaments, and I kept them out separate because I wanted to use them on the hot cocoa bar. So this is what we're gonna do. I went to the Dollar General today, okay? And I got these 3 little mason jars. These are not real mason jars, but they came with a red top, and look, a snowflake, seriously. So at first I had the little regular ones that had the gold tops, and they were fine, and I was like, oh, I'll do something cute on the lid and all that. I can Mod Podge something. And so I had some ideas running through my head. I had them in my cart, buggy. I actually call it buggy, okay? But so I had it in my buggy, and I was like, then I saw these and they were $1, and I'm like, heck no, I'm buying the ones that are already done. Then I got these, I don't know if y'all know the Bob's Sweet Stripes peppermint sticks. They were $1, okay? They were $1 at Dollar General too. So I got these from a hot cocoa bar. I got 2 packs. I probably only need 1, but they were $1. You can also get them at the Dollar Tree for $1. Got me an old pack of mini marshmallows for $1. And I got some hot cocoa. So let's get started. We're gonna use a little bit of my baker's twine, and then we're gonna put this on the outside when we're done of our little jars that were $1, okay? That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna fill them right now. Like I said, I'm just pouring these little packs in here, and then you'll just take a spoon and get out however much you need when you're ready to make some hot chocolate. But who actually, and I really do want to know on this, who actually uses peppermints in your hot chocolate, peppermint sticks? Who actually uses them? Because I don't. I just put them out there because they're cute and they look really cute on my hot cocoa bar, but it's not like I actually put them in there. Now the kids do like to eat them, and I do like to eat them, but I don't put them in my hot cocoa. I just buy them because they're cute, so I mean, you know, that's why. But I'm just curious if anybody else does it. I'm taking the long way around here just because I love Swiss Miss, and I don't want the packs showing because I'm gonna be a diva. I only want the hot cocoa to show. Okay, so I've got this full of hot chocolate, this little can right here, and I think I've got 1 more left, but it's gonna be too full if I put it in there. So I used almost 1 whole case of Swiss Miss, which was $1, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this top back on. So now I'm just filling one of them with these little mini marshmallows. And listen y'all, I use a lot of this, a lot of marshmallows in my hot chocolate. I don't know if y'all do, but I just love when they melt in there and they're like marshmallow cream, which I love marshmallow cream too, but these are just really cute. So right now we've got our hot chocolate and our marshmallows, and the last thing that we're gonna add in here before we do the embellishing, which is always the fun part, is put these Mr. Bob's, or no, they're called not Mr. Bob's. Bob's. I just threw the Mr. in there for good measure, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and put both packs. They were $1, like I said, at Dollar General. I think all of this stuff can be found at Dollar Tree as well, but I don't know if they've got the Christmas ones or not. They might, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take this baker's twine, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my top of my lid, like the top of my canister. Okay, so I left some of this hanging so that we could add our really cute ornament that's got the little gingerbread cookie on it. It's like a star gingerbread, piece of gingerbread or whatever. But this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna hang like this. How cute is that? Okay, so now we're gonna see if this works any better on the next one. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this though. Maybe that will help if I cut the top part, because I'm not gonna use it as an ornament. So even if I decide to later, I can add something back to it. Add a little string. I really wanted y'all to see that you can put something together for so cheap. Like I said, everything I'm using, with the exception of these little ornaments, which just use any little cute ornament. You don't have to have these exact ornaments. But you can do stuff in your home and make little cute festive touches on a budget, okay? On a big budget. You see so many immaculate things and you think, oh, I would love to do that, but you know, that's too much money. I don't want to spend that right now. You've just got to think outside of the box. Like, you can have your own little hot cocoa bar and not break the bank. Look how cute. This one actually did right. How cute is that? So cute. I'm not even joking. So we got one more to go. So here we are, our cute little marshmallow jar, our cute little hot cocoa jar, which all we took was Swiss Miss and poured it in here. We didn't do nothing fancy. And then our peppermint sticks. And these were just $1 at Dollar General, and they already came really cute. You do a little set of 3. How cute would this be? Okay, do a little set of 3. Put them in like a really cute little basket or something, and wrap them up with a really cute little bow. And you've got a $3, we got a little bit more by the time you do, maybe $5 total. For a gift for a friend, or maybe take it to the secretary at the school, or a teacher gift, or your boss, or whatever. But you know, this would be a really, really cute gift. So anyway, that's all I had for you today. I just wanted to show y'all me making these, that's all, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank y'all for joining me, and I hope y'all have a really good Tuesday evening. Bye guys, thank you.